So in this tutorial, we learn how to download and install Git in Windows 11. So when Git is installed in your system, you'll be able to track changes in your files as well as to coordinate collaboration on your projects. So first, open the browser of your choice and search for Git. Click the official link git-scm.com, and afterwards on your right side of the screen you'll see a monitor that displays the latest version 2.49.0. So click the download for Windows button. Afterwards you'll see a statement, click here to download the latest version. So click the link and wait for your file to get downloaded. So our download is complete. So right click and click open so that we can begin the installation process. You can minimize. So click yes for the app to make changes to your device. So here you have the public license. So click next. So the installed files will get installed in the local disk C. I'll leave mine in default. But if you want to change your directory, click the browse button and choose the location of your choice. So click next. So here you have to select the components. If you want to add a desktop shortcut, you can highlight on the additional icons, leave the others in default and click next. So select start menu folder. I leave it in default, Git. Click next. So choosing the default editor used by Git. So you can expand the arrow and select the default editor of your choice. I'll select Visual Studio Code and click next. So adjusting the name of the initial branch in new repositories. So click override the default branch name for new repositories and click next. So adjusting your path environment, because the second option is recommended, leave it in default and click next. So choosing the SSH executable, so use bundle open SSH and click next. So choosing HTTPS transport backend, leave it in default to use the native Windows Secure channel library. Click next. So configuring the line ending conversations, since we are installing in new Windows, so leave it to check out Windows style and click next. So configuring the terminal emulator to use with Git Bash, leave it in default and click next. And choosing the default behavior of Git pull, so leave it for fast forward or merge and click next. So choosing a credential helper, leave it for Git credential manager and click next. Configuring extra options, leave it to enable file system caching and click install. So our installation is complete and Git is now installed in our Windows 11. So you can as well say the desktop shortcut that you have recently created. So you can click on launch in Git Bash and click finish. So with Git Bash, you'll be able to run the Git commands within the command line interface. So you can still verify the version of Git that you have downloaded. Come to the search bar and type cmd. Click open. And in our command prompt, type git space -- version and press enter. You can see that you have downloaded the latest version 2.49.0. So that's how to download and install Git in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Mepro Education.